Whirlpool front load washing machine repair service. Another happy customer.
Nagawa ko yung
11 error.
yung,
Fix.
yung washing machine mo nag-error ng E11. And then 2 months warranty po tayo, ma'am, ha? Ano masasabi mo sa gawa ko sa'yo? Okay naman. Ma'am, then ma'am, mahalaga yung warranty ko sa'yo, babalikan kita kapag may same problem, ha? Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, thank you so much. God bless po. God bless. Thank you.